Alright, let's have a look at the SoundPEATS Cove Pro. I've been watching these things for a few months since they came out, and I hit SoundPEATS up and asked them if they would send me a pair because I really wanted to review these. If you are looking for a budget brand that never disappoints, I highly recommend giving SoundPEATS a try, especially if you never tried them before, because everything they drop is dope and it's not expensive. Now these bad boys are super lightweight at 250 grams. They're Bluetooth 6.0 and they got ultra low latency for gaming. Now in hand, these do not have a premium feel. They have that super lightweight plastic feel like Bose does. And that's going to help with the pressure on your ears. And SoundPEATS claim that these are glasses friendly. And I believe them because check out these cushions. Now I know I said that the plastic didn't have a premium feel, but this protein leather breathable memory foam material that they used feels amazing. And they didn't skimp out on the padding. Look how thick this is. This is some very thick padding. Even in a headband, this is the thickest headband I've seen on some headphones. I also like this measurement system they got when you adjust them so that you can get the same exact fit every single time. I greatly appreciate physical buttons. You got your volume up and down, you got your power button, and you got your ANC and transparency mode button right there. They have a nice completely foldable design for storage. But now let's get to the sound. Now out the box, these are very bass heavy, like vibrate your ears bass heavy. The highs are a little bit dialed back, but that's what the 10-band EQ is in place for. You can completely change the sound to your liking. You really can't lose. And the volume on these are extremely loud. You will not find yourself needing them at max volume. Now, one thing I want to point out is when you customize these in the app, you don't lose volume. A lot of the other headphones that I've tested, they have the custom EQ system, but when you start tampering with it, you lose overall volume. And I tested these bad boys out all over my neighborhood, and when you got that volume at about 80%, you can't hear anything, and they're so punchy that you can feel what you're listening to. All right, now we're going to test out the noise cancellation. Let me turn it on, and everything goes pretty quiet. It's kind of windy out here. I can no longer really hear the wind. I can feel the wind. There's a couple of cars passing by. I can slightly hear the cars. The noise cancellation actually is doing a decent job, especially considering these are budget headphones. I'm gonna rate it a 6.5. Now we testing the transparency mode on a windy day. We got a few cars going by and it's pretty solid. I can hear things around me. The transparency mode is a lot easier to get right than the active noise cancellation, so this is no surprise. But let's check out some other features in the app. You got spatial audio, you got your normal ANC mode, transparency mode if you don't want to use the headphones. You got dynamic bass, which you shouldn't need, dual device connection. You got your equalizer that we discussed, but you got presets in here so that you don't have to customize it if you don't want. And last but not least, you got Find My. So I'm sitting here editing the video for these very headphones, and I decided to try the low latency mode, aka game mode. Usually with budget headphones and earbuds, the audio will be behind the video. SoundPEATS has absolutely nailed the low latency mode, so I can use these bad boys to edit. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I also took it a step further. I do a Twitch live stream where I play video games, I talk to chat, we listen to music, and I use these, and these got the job done. They can perfectly replace my Beat Studio Pro if I wanted to. All right, now we switch to the MacBook to my QuickTime player, and I'm making sure that I selected the SoundPEATS Cove Pro microphone, and this is what the SoundPEATS Cove Pro microphone sounds like. So let's see how it sounds. As of right now, the battery is at about 28%. SoundPEATS rate these at 95 hours with ANC off. Now I've done a lot of testing with these. I've done 2 streams. I've been all over the neighborhood. I've been testing ANC off and on, transparency mode off and on, spatial audio, been testing the game mode. I've been editing videos. And for that battery to be at 28% and still have some juice left is highly impressive. But that's all I got for now. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.